Done dada, fire can't cool me a bonfire.
Original Batman. It's
Rios. Me a run dire.
She give me pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard. Fine girl a coming on me hard, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me hard. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me hard. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tori. Ooh. And I'm back with another video. So you guys, we are on our way to Jamaica. Ooh, this is blurry. Yeah. We just got through TSA and everything, and we're sitting at our gate. But we're like pretty early. We have like 2 hours to go before the flight boards. But yeah, we are here. Say hi, mommy. Hi. Say hi, grandma.
Hi.
Yeah. I don't know why it's so dark. I don't know. Anyways, we are here, and let me show you the plane. I don't think that's the plane we're taking, but I might need to turn up the brightness in here. Anyways, I will keep you guys updated. So far, flight's on time, but we'll see. Because if you remember from that last vlog, American canceled on us, but we'll see. I'm gonna go get a matcha green tea latte, but I don't see any Starbucks around here, so I'm gonna have to get Dunkin'. Yeah. I'll come back when we're boarding. We're now boarding. Boarding. So far. I don't know why I didn't check my bag. I think we get there at, let me check. We get there at, oh, it doesn't say. I don't know.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Wait, I put it down. Man, I put them on the run. Can't stand, never put them on the show, on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I'm bringing up the show on the low. Man, I'm killing up the show, let them know. Man, I'm cooking up the flow.
We are here.
Hello everyone, let me welcome you all on board and also welcome you all to Jamaica. And my name is Chris. Ahead we have about pretty much, let me give you the pickup times according to your resorts and your resort stops. So we have about 4 stops on board. Our first stop will be for those going to the Rotten White Sands. From here it's going to take us roughly about 35 minutes in drive to get us there. Upon leaving the Rotten White Sand, we'll head by the Bahia Principe. And from the Rotten White Sand to the Bahia, it's roughly about another 30 minutes in drive to get us there. And upon leaving the Bahia, we'll travel for roughly about another 8 minutes. And that's going to get us over to our third stop, which will be at the Jewel's Paradise Cove. And from the Jewel's Paradise Cove, we head to Rio, which is roughly another 20-25 minutes drive away from the Jewel's Paradise Cove. Now, did I just call everyone hotel name on board? Okay, it's important that I do. Alright everyone, so ahead, the door that you'll receive, it is there for the storing of bauxite. And bauxite is a red ore from which process you'll get aluminum. So from here, they crush, wash, preheat, and export the raw material. So off here to your left, that's what they export. The name of this area, it is called Discovery Bay.
What is up, you guys? I am back. They sell what? Oh, really? Which one? Marco Polo? Which one? Aidonia. Oh, how much you want for Aidonia?
It's at 2,000.
Oh, not bad.
5,000 VIP.
I don't want no VIP then, yeah. Oh, you want VIP? No, man.
You don't want the ticket now?
No. I'm more at the gate.
More at the gate, you know? So they take a ticket brand new.
Yeah, but we still not even all sure for that way though.
Oh.
You know? Wait, I mean, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, see my deal. You might cover. Wait,
No, they must sell the tickets them in here. 2,000 off the Aidonia, 3,000 gate, and then 5,000 VIP. But if I'm not, I mean, more like party, but me not give you Aidonia. So, me not, unless it mean like, you know, maybe read, but away with VIP have like more drinks or so probably.
I must get closer. I don't have no
Right.
closer.
You need to get closer. No matter to me. So when me ready to go, I'm ready to go.
Grab them on, bring them come 5 cap, like that.
No, you're not my business.
Bring the cap, cap. I'm a job. Congratulations, you're in the big show. And the G's. Yeah, where the G's? Alright, College, can you make this presentation for me, please? So, DJ College,
Yeah. Yeah, running out. I don't mean easy.
They're gonna be easy. Watch it stone. Watch it stone. The first lady. The first
I get them,
lady.
I said them, I give you 5 too.
The first lady. The first lady to bring to me right now. Right now. 2 and back. 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 2 and back.
You have to stand up close.
2 and back. 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 Walk with it. I'm say walk with it. I'm say walk with it. Walk with it. You work as on does. Walk with it. That's how you work as on does. Walk with it. Alright. No, that's a bit no one there. Let me see if you want to go. You're spicy. You're bad. Go, friend. Congratulations. Well, smile, man. I have one of them bag of things. Yeah.
Somebody.
Alright, watch your sound. Ready again?
You think we go first before we go to the supermarket?
Yeah, I think because when the man them push out, unless everybody now go percent then when the man them push out, they might look for you going a taxi and probably take longer to visit. They don't go wait for you till you go and just leave. And then put on your sitting them here so we want to take them up and put them in a car.
But I know what I will buy everything now.
Me I buy me drinks them, water, what go lift them up.
Yeah. What? Oh. That's cool. So yes guys, I'm in Ocho Rios right now. Currently in the grocery store. Fosca has an oatmeal. And then I'm looking for vegetable oil. I'm good. Olive oil expensive. I mean, they're always expensive, but expensive, bud. Okay, I'm not. Let me show this. Let me see. Okay. What's your moment? So we're here at the beach. It is the second day. No, the third day. Yesterday I went to the grocery store, and then today we're at the beach right now behind me, but we're waiting for the rest of my family to arrive because we take different vehicles. So it's so hot out here.
Go on that tree.
Okay, yourself shade, man. This is my outfit. Say what up, box grandma? I think make it on video too. Nika, tell them what we're doing today.
Hello, hi. We are at the beach enjoying ourselves today. Me and our family. We're having a beach day today. So we're just sitting by, enjoying ourselves and having a good day at the beach.
Yes.
In Jamaica, Jamaica.
One side.
Mommy. So yes, you guys, we're finally at the beach and it's so pretty. See, I haven't been to this beach in a while. I think the last time I was here I went to like a party, but it's nice in the daytime. I don't know why I'm so dark, but yeah, I'm gonna show you that. I think I put a clip in here, but I'm here. There's supposed to be some party happening here tomorrow. I was gonna go, but I think I'm gonna wait till Saturday to go out. But yeah, everybody's taking pictures and whatnot. Look at the boats.
dark now.
We don't want it though.
Me one time, want to warm me up. Man, I step in at the yard, many girls them say I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel.
Son dada, fire can't cool me up on fire.
Original bad man.
Right? Chelsea, we miss you. Alright.
She don't outside shop front, she don't outside.
Because when me I pass, me I look for her, you know, me I try, but I guess when we pass, she didn't come out yet. But she said she see mommy though. So she probably see her from in there. Oh, so much stuff dip on the ground.
I got my ears over
Yeah.
But it don't eat.
Right. Feels so good. Where?
I don't know weekend when they come out.
Feels so good. Huh?
Yeah, that's how I start breathing.
Me can't even swim. It feels so good.
So why you have a follower?
Your glasses. Yeah.
Oh, am I done? They look up in the exercise. I say, Uncle, every time they pass him, I run.
Then he see me coming at run, and I say, come fat boy.
Jesus Christ. Come here, watch him this whole time, and I say, I want my king keep on a run with him. And look on the picnic like in your way.
Run fat boy.
I'm getting exercise in. Guys, it's now after 5. It's like 5:20. We got here about like 1:30. It's been pretty good. We went for a swim, ate. Now we're trying to figure out like what to eat before we drive back home. But this is a nice beach though, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't been here in a while, so yeah. I think I'll put, what beach is this? I guess it's Ocho Rios beach. It's so many different sections for like beaches in Ocho that I don't know exactly. But yeah, I think it's just called Ocho Rios beach. We're about to go home now in a bit. I'm sitting in the sun so that I can dry, so that I can self-dry, because I'm just gonna put my shawl over myself and head out. I'm not changing my clothing. And yeah, that's it. I don't think I'm gonna record anything else today because nothing else is happening. But I will be back tomorrow. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow yet. We have 2 weeks, so I'm not like trying to rush anything. Plus, I'm here with, it's just to see family, so it's whatever they want to do. But yeah.
can't breathe. Oh, inside.
Where's Sundown with that restaurant here? You ever go before?
No. Thanks. April 6th.
I guess so. They say any earlier, they say I did many free. But yeah, listen at you. But they never have no season fries though. And me not get no fries if it's no season. Like that's the whole point when me buy. Yeah, logo must remind me on Wendy's. Alright. What is up, you guys? It's later in the evening and I'm home getting ready. I just put my wig on. This is my outfit. Just some flip flops because girl, we're not wearing heels. And then I got my purse. I just got some money in it. And it's raining, y'all. It's raining, so I don't even know. But we're ready. We're about to leave. I'm about to meet up with my best friend. She's coming too. And then, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it just rains on and off. You know, we'll see. Look, y'all. You guys, it's my best friend Mary. We're going way above. Way above. Yeah, way above. Chelsea. Y'all, it's raining. It's raining. Party is ruined, I'm telling you.
Full of swagger man and race like a kite. Class settled with the cheese and the night. Above them you can't reach on me height. Whole team man I got. Guy know the general Aidonia'S step on the rhythm. I know I can't the bad general step on the rhythm. But me say, apply pressure, my pleasure, man I find treasure.
Everyone, please don't come. Please, if I respect I don't, just come out for a station that really see, free up. It's a respect the artist that they're gonna please. Now, whatever man think, hey, go on, man. The peace officer, the man, work on it. Do not want to shit up, man. Please, now, beg on them, beg no badness stand up now. Beg on them, please. Come on for the stage, please. Me even turn on the orange microphone for them, please. Turn on the orange, see them and write this song. The man, them when I work. Come on for the bomber class here. Class. I'm ready to reach up there. I'm ready to reach up there. Like a day just like today, because the rain fall today. That means God just blessed this day. And the police come today until clear the stage right away. And them are gonna come be sure everybody just leave the stage and say, Happy birthday! What? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Officer, we can't get already. Now take the one, just give me one. One. Let me send all the people them good. One, just one. Give me a piece of chicken now, just give me one. Hold on. Doctor, the piece of chicken. Listen me now. Stop that. The man said 5 minutes and it done this so. Yeah, eat that. So 5 minutes and half, just fill up his stage. And then the artist them work. No. Up his stage and make the artist them alone out. Yes, sir. See? Yeah. Turn up the red microphone for me, please. Don't stand there. Turn up the red microphone. You know it goes. One voice, you know. Check. And the man voice down bigger than the damn voice. Every man, please and thank you. Please, if you respect Aidonia'S, just come out from stage that really sweet. Free up. If you respect the artist, that they're gonna please, nobody make him man things. Hey, cool now, man. The peace officer, them are work on it. Do nobody mash it up, man. Please, me, I beg on them. Beg me, I beg. No badness, no. Beg me, I beg on them. Please. Come off of the stage, please. Turn up the orange mic. Me and friend, turn up the orange microphone for me to turn up, please. Turn up the orange mic. See them and write this, man. The man, them run our work. Come off of the bomb class stage. Hotter clubs. I hear some of you walking, excuse me, please. When the man work, come off of the bomb class stage, please. I do it, yeah. Gonna take me down on the coast of all in that. Say the man I pop up that thing that. Bad man of that time got choker. And none of them can't stop me. Tell them to me don't know the post of them. Some of you go fall off again in a minute. Hey, on the clear stage, everybody a bad man, keep your in your pocket. Everybody else, tell them to me now watch the face, calm me down, charge the case. Tell them say how we rock the place with machine from the base. And me a done, me and you from me up. Tell them boy stop watch me close. Stop watch me pose, I'm a rasta man. Stop watch me nose. Everybody will beg people keep your in your pocket. We, me now beg the post so one nothing coming. How do you come? Want to hear it? Oh, sorry, officer. What going on? What happened? This one, I know them this. Love no, yeah, I did it, I know the thing, but I ain't play one.
Because I people, yeah. Come out long time.
Morning, grandma. Go say where the hell is it? Where the hell? Guys, it is like after 6 in the morning. We're just getting home. Like the sun is out. Good morning, y'all. Marlon, I go ask you, where the hell you now come from?
Exactly, just listen. Don't say around.
You never make your steps, so Marlon.
I won't lie, you know.
Yeah. I tell her to take them out, you know, mommy.
It's Andrew Bennett, Nathan Bennett. I love them all. Every one of the family and my friend. May God bless you. And also to the Oneness Apostolic family and friends. God is good. He's merciful. He's everlasting Father. He's the King of Kings. He's the Lord of Lords. Let us honor him and praise him and give him all the glory he needs from us. Greetings coming from Sister Anderson over in Seagram, Spanish Town. God bless you all.
Nothing wrong with you, guys, we're going to Doji Falls together. And Chelsea finally did here. So it's raining, but we had to go to the
Easter shout outs going to all my church family at the Wesleyan Holiness Church, especially my mother, Chicky, coming from Julie.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my feelings.
Morning, how you doing? Happy New Year. Your life has sweet up. That's too bad. I'm all good today. Alright, friend. I tried to do that.
Why me choose to record it?
Recording.
Me did record for a long time.
Oh, but sorry, you don't want nobody recording. I don't want to miss this
Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Pass me the Hennessy. Let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars.
Then you better, me suppose you don't ask me, you better make sure you carry them up in a one piece. Come here, you.
I think you think it's a man. Associate.
Oh, listen. It's a record. Hey, Tori. Hey, it's a record.
Tomorrow must start.
Me do want fit check where you need to talk. Where you have on.
I don't remember what happened. Don't have a. But yeah, but yes, I put on one shirt and one blouse because the way this is I'm not. Yeah, no record, you know. From Kadian and Jalen. Kadian, I like your dress.
The dress, thank you.
Siri Berry, Chelsea Belsi, Devra, Mame. Jalen, say hi. Guys, we're now at Dunsmore Falls. It's packed out here because it's supposed to be, it's Easter Monday, and huh? Yeah. So yeah, it's Easter Monday, so everybody's out here, and it's so packed. So let me turn up the brightness. So hopefully we can all get in. We all can fit in the car, so it's just we're waiting for the rest of the family to get here so that we can go get the tickets to go in. I'm gonna change, put some mesh shorts on so that I can climb the falls, and I have to get water shoes because I had some and then I forgot to bring it, so I gotta get those. So yeah.
Yeah, well, that people over there. Hey, we are telling them, what is the only climate tree? I think them say don't there's a ram like one.
Come here, cause see all the rain of a start again.
I want to look at them today, so they pan. We're not going, we'll drive fast so far.
Oh God.
Probably not gonna kill everybody.
Cause you know it's sand part so little. Yeah, y'all see how much people? It's full.
We passed up again a while ago. Are you about? If we're not going on this one, we're going small one.
Let's see. Mommy, see you later.
Get one water shoes.
You know it's over here, son?
Yeah, water shoes say like a rental. You want a rental water?
No.
I'll buy it by yourself.
Yeah.
Hello.
Nobody in there. You see no one?
And I write on them. When I want to know Jamaica, want them.
But then yesterday?
Yeah, Jamaica want them in there.
Okay.
See when I see some down at all.
No, me have them already.
No refund on water shoes. Not tell me how much it is again. Nobody knows. Assistant.
Yeah, we here. After an hour of waiting, we here. I'm gonna put my. Yeah. So we waited an hour, y'all. But we here. Yeah, see, okay, then get away with the $1,000 Nico wouldn't get away with it. No, because me have to convince him, like, hey, no, she have it.
Right.
Right, you don't have no for sure.
Because, you know,
Because a boy have to call in supervisor. Because the guy calling supervisor for double check. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna put my phone away. My camera, because it's raining. Guys, there was a walk. Usually you gotta walk all the way down to the beach, and then you climb the falls up, and then you walk back down. So out here, so they said to me, oh, this is where they do the zip line, y'all. I don't think I've ever wanted to do like zip line over here.
Okay, the right, so we need to take it to Carolina. One in the commission. Come on, Chelsea.
Come on.
You understand me, no make it Japan. Bitch, they start with the girl system warning. Me a dog a waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man, they want to say. I mean a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come to sing so, whine it for me thing so. I know bad man and they want to say. She know bad man, they want to feel.
Don't do that, or you can't call me a bonfire. Better than you, me a spitfire. The boy